Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess Official. I will show you how to change the in this video. I will show you how to change the ID of the display and how to change the cycling time. Okay, first we need to press this key. This is the set key.
Set ID.
F1 is for the change the ID of the display. We need to press this key to enter. On this display, it shows number 1, 1, and you can choose it by yourself, just like this. If you want to change this place number or this one, you need to choose this key, set key. When you press it, the number will flash. Okay, I will change the number as 11. This is the down. 11, and then we can back. So we have changed the ID of the display successfully. It means that we can change all the display to the same ID with the keypads. So when you press this key and call, all the display will promote like this.
1. Please take the meal. 1. Please take the meal.
You can check whether you need several speakers and make your choice. If you want to buy or resell our items, just email us at support@retekess.com. We will do our best for you. And now I will show you how to change the cycling time. Press this key.
Set ID. Set the tracking time.
The cycling time, it means that. And I choose the seconds as 5. It means that one number will show 5 seconds on the display. When you press the number as 0, 0, it means that it will not show the numbers on the display, just only with voice. So you can choose it by yourself. And the number is from 9 is until 99 seconds. You can choose it by yourself whether you need to choose it or not. I will choose the number as 4 and press the key to confirm and back. I will show the number. Just press the 1 call.
1. Please take the meal. 1. Please take the meal. 1. Please take the meal.
For the voice repeat times, I will show you in the next video. On this one, it shows the 3 times, and I will choose the number at 3. If you want to change the next one, such as you just call 1 and you want to call the next, you can press this key. This for the next one. It will show the number 2, and then you can call it.
2. Please take the meal. 2. Please take the meal.
3 times repeat.
2. Please take the meal.
And then 4 seconds later, the number will change to the other one. Yeah. I hope that this video will help you